Luis got the object thingy. How dare you killed Red Flower? You are grounded for nothing.
Shut up, Barney Calhoun! How dare you groundings me? That's it. You are arrested right now.
What is this?
Hey!
Calhoun?
What the hell is that?
It's me, bro.
Okay, it's me, Barney Calhoun, the object thingy. Who are you?
I'm Ariel Boisvert. And you?
I'm Barney Calhoun. Will, Ariel, who door is not?
His work is stop.
Let me help you.
Okay.